Adding information to an exception. I want to achieve something like this. But what I get is any clues as to how to achieve this? How to do it both in Python 2 and 3?
I'd do it like this, so changing its type in foo won't require also changing it in bar. Update 1. Here's a slight modification that preserves the original traceback. Update 2. For Python 3.x, the code in my first update is syntactically incorrect, plus the idea of having a message attribute on base exception was retracted in a change to PEP 352 on May 16, 2012. My first update was posted on March 12, 2012. So currently, in Python 3.5.2 anyway, you'd need to do something along these lines to preserve the traceback and not hardcode the type of exception in function bar. Also note that there will be the line in the traceback messages displayed. Update 3. A commenter asked if there was a way that would work in both Python 2 and 3. Although the answer might seem to be no due to the syntax differences, there is a way around that by using a helper function like re-raise in the 6 add-on module. So, if you'd rather not use the library for some reason, below is a simplified standalone version. Note too, that since the exception is re-raised within the re-raise function, that will appear in whatever traceback is raised, but the final result is what you want.
In case you came here searching for a solution for Python 3, the manual says, when raising a new exception, rather than using a bare raise to re-raise the exception currently being handled, the implicit exception context can be supplemented with an explicit cause by using from with raise. Example. Which looks like this in the end. Turning a totally nondescript type error into a nice message with hints towards a solution without messing up the original exception.
Assuming you don't want to or can't modify foo, you can do this. This is indeed the only solution here that solves the problem in Python 3 without an ugly and confusing during handling of the above exception, another exception occurred message. In case the re-raising line should be added to the stack trace, writing raise E instead of raise will do the trick.
I don't like all the given answers so far. They are still too verbose somehow. In other code and message output. All I want to have is the stack trace pointing to the source exception, no exception stuff in between, so no creation of new exceptions, just re-raising the original with all the relevant stack frame states in it, that led there. Steve Howard gave a nice answer which I want to extend, no, reduce, to Python 3 only. The only new thing is the parameter expansion/unpacking, which makes it small and easy enough for me to use. Try it. This will give you a simple pretty print. Could be something like
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.